Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I'm making soft and juicy bundi sweets, tiny golden pearls soaked in delicious sugar syrup. This traditional sweet is simple to make and perfect for festival celebration or sweet cravings at home. Take 1 cup besan or gram flour. Sieve it well. Now add 3/4 cup water gradually. Mix well until the batter becomes smooth and pouring consistency. Make sure the batter is smooth and lump-free. Heat oil in a pan. Using a strainer, pour the batter gently into medium heated oil. The word bundi comes from tiny droplet-shaped pearls. Fry the bundi until lightly golden and crispy. Besan contains protein and fiber. Homemade sweets are fresher and preservative-free. Don't fry on very high heat. Bundi sweets are very popular during festival and celebration. Remove and keep aside. Now prepare the sugar syrup. In another pan, add 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water. Mix well and let it boil. You can control sweetness according to your preference. Freshly made dessert tastes more flavorful and satisfying. Add 2 to 3 drops orange food color. Boil for about 3 to 5 minutes until the syrup becomes slightly thicker. The syrup should be slightly sticky, not too thick. Now add the fried bundi into the warm syrup. Orange colored bundi is commonly used in traditional sweets. Mix gently and let it soak for 30 minutes. Your soft and juicy bundi sweets are ready. Bundi can be enjoyed warm or chilled. Your delicious homemade bundi sweet are ready. Serve and enjoy these soft juicy treats with family and friends. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy homemade recipes.